In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to play Stardew Valley Multiplayer on mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you know, on PC, if you have the game on Steam, you can just use the integrated multiplayer mode to invite your friends through Steam and play through there without any hassle. This is a feature that is currently missing on the mobile version of Stardew Valley. Is there any way to turn this on and play Stardew Valley on mobile with your friends? Sadly, as Stardew Valley Mobile stands, the game is updates behind and currently does not include the multiplayer mode like I mentioned, which means that currently it is impossible to officially play Stardew Valley on multiplayer on mobile. You have to use external mods that enable the multiplayer feature for Stardew Valley on mobile. And if you have the official version and you don't want to install mods on your phone, there is currently no way to play the game multiplayer. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to play Stardew Valley Multiplayer on mobile. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.